Welcome to the Forex Flavor. It's Rorisa, and today I will be showing you how to determine the directional bias. For you to get the direction of the market, the first thing you need to understand is the market structure. Market structure will show you if the market it is just in one position, is not moving, or if maybe it is on a downtrend or an uptrend. So first we will start with the downtrend. The downtrend is like this. We have a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Yeah, the downtrend moves this way. And then we also have a range. And then we have an uptrend. We have an uptrend. No, I need some space here. Oh. Need a space. Okay, and then we have a uptrend. Uptrend is like this. Okay, so if you see the market behaving this way, forming lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower highs, just know that it is on a downtrend. It is a downtrend. It's a downtrend. That means you have to look for selling opportunities. And then if the market it is in some kind of a range like this, that means it is in a range. This is a range is a range. Yeah, is a range. So that means it is just forming highs, low, highs, and low. Then that means when the market is at the top here, you can look for selling opportunity, and then if it's at the bottom here, you can look for highs, because the price it is stuck in a range. You understand me? Until this price action breaks out of the range, then you can start looking for selling or buying opportunities. And then now we have an uptrend. An uptrend will form high, higher high, low, higher low. Higher high, then higher low. Yes, so this is it is an uptrend. Yes, it is an uptrend. If you see market behaving this way, you need to look for buying opportunity, and then buying opportunity, you look them preferably here around this spot. Yeah, around this spot you can look for buying opportunity, and then you can put your stop loss below. Instead, you can put your stop loss below. You can do like this, enter here, put your stop loss below, and then that's it. Your stop loss below, then that's it. Yeah, so basically that's it. That is how you determine your direction. That is how you get your direction on the market. Okay, yeah, that is how you determine your direction. And then now we can go, you can go to the we can go to the market, to the actual market, to see price action in action. Yeah. To see the actual thing. Yeah, let me see. Vertical line. Okay, if you can look the market from this blue line going to the right, you will see that the market is on a downtrend. Yeah, on a downtrend. You see, it was on a downtrend. So for that period, that means you would look for selling opportunity. You understand me? You would look for selling opportunities. That is how a downtrend looks like in the market. And then let me get the blue line here. Okay, then now if you can check here, we have some form of an uptrend. It don't be perfect, you understand me? We don't always get textbook, what do they call it, textbook in the textbook it will just be straight, but on the market it won't be perfect. Yeah, but you can see that the price action is moving up, it's forming higher highs and higher lows, so it is an uptrend. And then let's look for a range. Let's look for a range. Perfect. That's the perfect range. A range is here. You see. If you can check, there was a resistance here, and then there was a support around here. So that's it. That is the range. You can see the market was failing to get out of this thing until it came here and broke out and started with the uptrend. So to determine your direction, that's it. That's what you have to look for. Like, Forex is already difficult, so we don't have to overcomplicate it. These are the types of market structures. We have the range, we have the uptrend, and then we have the downtrend. And then if this is just a smaller part of the whole thing, so if you want to learn more, you can watch the above video. Thank you so much for watching.